the integrated green biostructure. We used to call that infrastructure, and some people get annoyed when you add new words, but over time the new word will make more sense. So let's call it a biostructure. And here we have, you know, a dozen interrelated things, and they all have a value when they're all connected, and that's the reason why I have put them on a graphic here that is also connected. And so as we look sort of at these pieces, for our little town, having a little office where we keep our plans for the future visible to the public and available to the public is one of the most important ways we can have some longevity and not have Alzheimer's disease when it comes to what we care about. Once you get people together, you know, and big meetings, you don't want all of that to go just to turn into granular paper and disappear. We need a Saturday marketplace that will expand to a daily marketplace, a teen recreation zone that will include skating as well as hula, as well as dancing. It's the same building, and that's an example of bundling things together. A visitor center that will, among other things, have great bathrooms, but maps to the rest of what's going on. Not a big facility, but important for American towns. New Zealand is a good example of people who take care of their visitors, especially in the bathroom department. An emergency ops center. This is the place where our plans for emergencies and special tents and special equipment and shortwave radios and whatnot are assembled. A light industrial area where we can collect some of the dirtier sides of what we have to do in terms of waste and whatnot. A subscription farm pickup zone, and this is both for animals and vegetables, where small farmers can take things that can be picked up by drive-through customers on their way home. In this case in Hawaii, we call the place where we put our wet trash, you know, the transfer station. But we need in our transfer station a grinder, because the big grinder takes 62% of the waste stream, which is paper, cardboard, green waste, clippings and whatnot, and wet food, and can actually grind these up and mix them to make more powerful soil emollients. A Kohala Water Authority. We need somebody here that pays attention to whether our water system is dependent on, like, say, fossil fuels, or which means during an oil shortage we would not be able to pump our water, about the distribution of the water to our farmers, our local farmers, about the availability of sites, you know, about the town that are available to people during a time of water emergency where their water goes down, they can go and fill up their tanks, etc. That kind of thing. A charter school track which is based on green work studies, so that from the very beginning the young kids can be exposed to their work in nature, not stuck in a classroom doing fill-in-the-blank history questions. Local foraging zones where we plant things in space that is available that are in trees, in ag forests, so that during times of emergency everybody can forage there. And then finally, an ag park where we have a dehydrator, certified kitchen, coolers, slaughterhouse, taro works, sawmill, packaging, special fuels production, a business and tax office for small businesses and farmers, and a recycling and equipment shop. Okay, the finest details of all this, you know, aren't so important now, but start thinking of your town and your district in terms of its ability to be self-sufficient and weave all the resources that are green together with water and other supplies to make a biostructure. The biostructure for the global village. Jim Channon, Go Planet!
So close to you, so close to you. Oh, be so close to you, so close to you. so close to you, so close to you.